Sit in any comfortable position for opening the session. Adopt chin mudra. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Om. 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 योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ओम। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an edge. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Bali Yoga School.
Namaste, how are you today?
Namaste, Om Shanti. How are you?
I'm good, we are good, thank you.
Okay. But you are late today, 5 minutes.
Yeah,
Why?
why? Because we have philosophy exactly until 11 and it's still the same problem that we have to change our scenery.
Okay. So what was our yesterday topic?
Joints. We finished with the ball and socket joints, and then we did the movements of synovial joints. That's it.
Movements at synovial joint. So what is supination?
It's the outward rotation of the arm.
Yes. Our next point is inversion.
Inversion?
Yeah. Inversion. We completed till rotation.
Yeah, we completed the 2 types of rotation. That was
Yeah,
our last.
lateral rotation and medial rotation. Okay.
Yep.
Yes.
So our next point is inversion. 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 What is inversion? Inversion is the turning sole of foot inward. Turning sole of foot inward. Turning sole
Also,
of
inversion is another movement.
yes. Turning sole of foot inward. Called inversion. Turning sole of foot inward called inversion. Clear?
Yes.
Next point is eversion. 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 Eversion is turning sole of foot outward. Turning sole of foot outward is eversion. And there is 3 types of flexion. 3 types of other flexion than flexion. First one is dorsiflexion. DORSI. Dorsiflexion. FLEXION. What is dorsiflexion? Pointing toe upward. Pointing toe upward is known as dorsiflexion. 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 Pointing toe upward, known as dorsiflexion. Second is plantar flexion. Plantar flexion. PLANTAR FLEXION. Plantar flexion. Pointing toe downward. Pointing toe downward is plantar flexion. And the third one is lateral flexion. Lateral, lateral, lateral flexion, flex. This is the bending of the neck, the bending of the neck or body towards right or left, towards right or left, like this. Bending of neck or body, whole body towards right or left is lateral flexion. Clear?
Yes.
Next point is elevation. Elevation, elevation. Bali Yoga School, what is elevation?
Elevation.
Yeah.
Maybe to get on the toes of your foot.
You should know. You attending daily alignment class after this class.
But we don't have that. Like,
Elevation, that is the movement in superior direction. Lifting your shoulders up is elevation. Okay, upward direction. Taking your shoulder upward direction or movement in superior direction. It's elevation. Okay. Movement in superior direction is elevation. And the next point is depression. 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 Movement in inferior direction is known as depression. Movement in inferior direction. This is elevation, and taking it down is depression. Clear? Next point is protraction. What is protraction? Protraction. 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 That is taking shoulder forward or scapula away from each other. Taking shoulder forward or scapula away from each other. It's protraction.
what's the word?
Protraction. Protraction. Taking shoulder forward or scapula away from each other. This one. taking shoulder forward and scapula away from each other. Next point is retraction. R-E-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. R-E-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Retraction. Retraction is taking shoulder backward, taking shoulder backward and scapula towards, taking shoulder backward and scapula towards each other. Clear? Bali Yoga School.
No, I don't know what you mean. I don't understand the word. I understood what's the meaning of it, but I couldn't understand the words, and the spelling was a bit too fast.
Which one? Protraction and retraction.
Yeah, both. Retraction.
Protraction and retraction. I will repeat once again. Protraction, shoulder forward, taking your shoulder forward, this movement forward. Am I visible? When you take
Yeah,
your shoulder
you are
forward,
visible. I mean, I understand what the word means, but I don't understand how to spell the word. I've never heard of these words.
protraction. Never heard this word. In alignment class,
No.
In alignment class,
No,
heard,
that's why I'm
many
saying
times.
it. Yeah, we had them many times, but we never used that word before. So it's protraction.
Protraction and retraction. CTI1 protraction. And second one is retraction. R-E-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. That is shoulder backward or scapula towards each other. Now clear? Protraction and retraction.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Okay. So now we completed movement at synovial joint. Any other question? No question? So our next topic is types of cartilage and connective tissue. Types of cartilage and connective tissue. C-A-R-T-I-L-A-G-E, cartilage, and C-O-N-N-E-C-T-I-V-E, connective tissue, T-I-S-S-U-E. So write down first cartilage. C-A-R-T-I-L-A-G-E, cartilage. What is cartilage? Cartilage is a connective tissue. Write down. Cartilage is a connective tissue which is semi-rigid, semi-rigid, SEMIRIGID, semi-rigid, or tough, TOUGH, cartilage is a connective tissue which is semi-rigid or tough, semi-transparent, SEMITRANSPARENT, sorry, SEMITRANSPARENT, semi-transparent, elastic, flexible and smooth. Elastic, flexible and smooth. Cartilage is composed of COMPOSD, composed of specialized cells, SPECIALISED, specialized cells called chondrocytes, CHANDROCYTES, chondrocytes, which are embedded EMBEDED in large amount of matrix, with collagen and elastic fiber, COLLAGEN, collagen and elastic fiber, ELASTIC, elastic fiber, FIBRES, fiber. Cartilage is avascular, avascular, and aneural, ANEURAL. Cartilage is avascular and aneural. Nutrition is supplied to chondrocytes, CHANDROCYTES, by diffusion. So cartilage is connective tissue which is semi-rigid, tough, semi-transparent, elastic, flexible and smooth. Clear?
Yeah.
Now write down the types of cartilage. How many types of cartilage are there?
Five.
How many types?
Three.
Yeah, 3 types. What are the names?
Fibrous, hyaline, and elastic.
Yes.
No?
The first, yeah, good.
Ah.
The first one is hyaline cartilage, Hyaline, hyaline cartilage. Cartilage, hyaline cartilage. And the second one is fibrocartilage, Fibro. Cartilage. Third is elastic cartilage, Cartilage. Write down the first cartilage, hyaline cartilage, Hyaline. Hyaline cartilage. What is hyaline cartilage? Or it has glass-like appearance, APPEARANCE. It has glass-like appearance. Bluish white, BLUEISH, bluish white, WHITE. Smooth and shiny, SMOOTH, smooth and shiny, SHINY. It is 2 to 4 mm thick. 2 to 4 mm thick. It made with type 2. And now write down the function. Function of hyaline cartilage. It provides flexibility flexibility, support, 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 and smooth surfaces and smooth surfaces for movement at joints. It provides flexibility, support, and smooth surfaces for movement at joint. It forms embryonic skeleton. It forms embryonic skeleton. What is embryonic skeleton?
The skeleton before it
Bali Yoga School.
transforms. Yeah, I'm talking. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
it's
Yes,
the
yes.
skeleton that transforms into bones when we get older. So basically, the skeleton of a baby before it
Yeah,
comes out.
skeleton of the baby before birth. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. It forming parts of larynx. It forming parts of larynx, trachea, 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 and bronchi, bronchi. It forming parts of larynx, larynx, trachea, trachea, and bronchi, bronchi. And it also forms the sternocostal cartilage, sternocostal cartilage, STERNO, sternocostal, COSTL, sternocostal cartilage. CARTILAGE. Clear?
Yes.
The second type of cartilage is fibrocartilage, FIBRO, CARTILAGE, fibrocartilage. It is tough. It is tough as well as slightly flexible. It is tough as well as slightly flexible. It supports to vertebral column and found between vertebrae. It supports to vertebral column and found between vertebrae known as intervertebral disc. And also found between articulating surfaces of knee joint. Also found between articulating surfaces of knee joint. Clear?
Yes.
The third one is elastic cartilage. ELASTIC, elastic cartilage. CARTILAGE, elastic cartilage. It is a flexible tissue it provides support and maintains shape of pinna and lobe of ear. It provides support and maintains shape of pinna, PINNA, and LOBE, lobe of ear, pinna and lobe. This portion or ear portion, pinna and lobe. It presents in epiglottis. It presents in epiglottis, OTTIS. And also found in tunica media, TUNICA, tunica media, MEDIA, tunica media wall, tunica media of blood vessel wall, VESSEL. So now we completed three of card. Bali Yoga School.
Yes.
Any question?
No questions.
No question.
It's 45.
So sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Spine straight, adapt chin mudra. Inhale for one time Om along with three Shanti together. Om. शांति 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 join your both palm together in front of heart center, bow down your head towards God, towards both palm. Apply an eyes slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class. We will meet again on Monday
Yep.
because
Thank you.
tomorrow is Sunday.